Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crownedksutherland. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. So guys, today's video is really exciting. It's very interesting. I'm getting my hair done. Usually I do my own hair, so I'm getting my hair done today and I'm at Glam Lux. I would put the whole entire name on the screen, but it's Glam Lux and it's very glam in here. But guys, today's video is sponsored by WestKissHair, and they were kind enough to send me this 30-inch bomb-ass body wave wig, and it came in this box, which kind of died in the mail, but it's okay because the hair is secured and it's pretty good. I received some free gifts. They already come through, like they always come through with stuff. So I got like a bonnet. Definitely need this. I got a satin bag to store my wig in, which I definitely need because we're throwing the box away completely. What's this? And I think I got like a headscarf. I got like a few free gifts that I really love that's necessary. So this is like a velvet like headscarf you can use for your edges, which I love. They also sent me like an elastic band that you can add in the wig just so it's secured. I also got wig caps, and I think there was a scarf with WestKiss on it. I can't locate it right now, but they did send me that. So guys, this is the hair. It's a 30-inch body wave unit, and when I tell you it's full, like when I lift it up I feel weight. 30 inches doesn't come full for the most part. Like wigs that I usually get, it's not that full. It's full from like the top all the way down to the end. Really full. The parting space looks bomb. To me, it's like a 6-inch parting space. I don't really remember the specs right now, but I'm gonna put that on the screen, and all the information will be in the description box. So if you're interested in like getting this unit, you can definitely like check them out. So shout outs to WestKissHair for this unit, and we're gonna slay, honey. Like I had to come get it. Wow. Okay, girl, that's fine. My earring was just like acting up. Let's just take the other one out because I don't know. But shout outs to them because I really wanted to get my hair like done because I mean it's 30 inches. I want to pop out, and I want to get like the frontal tinted, bleached, all the knots, everything plucked, all the extra stuff that I don't be doing. Y'all know I'm lazy. I don't be doing like all the extra stuff, so I really wanted it to get done. So my girl Tiana Selena, shout outs to her. I'll put her Instagram on the screen. She's about to like slay this unit. She told me she'll bleach the knots and everything like that, and possibly put black over the hair so it's like black, because you do know when you get your hair it's not jet black. So she was telling me let's try jet black. I never done that before, so maybe we'll try that. But the hair though, guys, bomb. Really bomb. So let's just like get into it. Let me stop the talking because I be talking a lot, but let's get into it. Guys, so she's starting out by oiling my scalp, and yeah, I have some old braids in that I really didn't want to take out, so I just asked her to do the install over my old braids. So don't mind that, it's no fault of the stylist. After like oiling my scalp and cleaning my forehead with alcohol, she's just adding some freeze spray, as well as she's gonna add like some edge control just to get my edges under control because, you know, my braids are not fresh, so I have a lot of flyaways in the front. So she's just doing that just so the edges and everything can get secured so we can add the ball cap. And guys, this video is kind of like self-explanatory in a sense, but I'll still cue in here and there, but literally it's kind of like self-explanatory because she shows everything that she's doing. In place, don't worry about you and stop worrying about things. Everything will happen, so get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen, so get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Once the wig cap is on, she's going to secure that with some freeze spray. On time, all I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you, stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on
Shoutouts to Chaos. Thank you for commenting under my video. And guys, I'll have a few other shoutouts on the screen in the video, so you definitely need to keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, I really hope you subscribe. I really hope you stick around. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and like it. Spam my comments and you just might get a shout out. So for the glue, she went in, I think this is Ghost Bond, and she's going in, is it Ghost Bond? Yeah, I think it's Ghost Bond if I'm remembering correctly, and she's just going in with a layer, and I think she did 2 layers. And when I tell you my hair was just like stuck, I literally wore this install for 5 days. I never keep my hair, so that's how you know that I really liked it. She did such an amazing job. The lace on this hair melted really good. The knots were bleached, by the way. She did bleach the knots, the things that, you know, I don't normally do. She bleached the knots, she plucked it. She pre-plucked it, I mean, as well as she added a rinse. She did like the watercolor method to add a black rinse, or is it a rinse or a dye? She added a black rinse, yeah, to the hair to get it to be like a jet black color, because you know usually the hair comes in kind of like a number 2 kind of color, but I always use it like that. But I told her and she was just like, nah, let's try jet black. So I went along with it and I actually really liked it. So guys, for applying your glue, don't use too much where it's too it's way in front of where your wig cap is. I feel like it's best to use like just enough like on top of the wig cap where the line is, as well as a little bit on your forehead. And then after you apply your wig and cut the extra lace off, you can just go in with a rat tail comb and add the glue underneath to all the little missing spaces, and then it really just like, it helps so much. And shout out to the Sweet Life of Shauna K. Hope I said that right. Like, okay sis, I see you. So that's what she did, and my lace is just like installed. And guys, if you want a really like detailed video of a step-by-step install, you can check out the videos on my channel, because I install a lot of wigs, especially on myself, so you can definitely like check that out. And after everything is just like nicely done, she ties it down with a rapid styling strip. Y'all know that if you watch me, you know I use that every single time. And she's just like going in with a hot comb in between the hair, especially at the top, so it lays really flat. And I wanted some waves, so she did that with that bedhead crimper. I think that's what it is. It's like a crimping iron, but it's a waver actually. So I don't know if it gives waves or crimp. I feel like it's like a in between, but I really like how it looks, so that's what we're going with. And let me tell you how it took so long. And in order to get this to work, guys, you have to have some kind of hairspray. The best spray to use is like the pump it up spray, but she didn't have that, so we used the chai metal head, something like that. That was the spray that she used, and it worked better than the Got to Be glue spray on the hair to keep like the wave in. So definitely if you're doing like crimps or any kind of wave, you need some spritz, some really good spritz to hold it, because the texture it'll just like drop out and it won't look like wavy. Matter of fact, it will look wavy, but like more of a loose wave. It doesn't give it like that really defined kind of look. So yeah, so she's going in and she's doing it, and let me tell you guys, the hair took forever to get what's that, like crimped or waved, because it's 30 inches. And let me tell you, she had to do it in really small sections, because it's not like the hair was a really fine curled hair. No, it was straight, better yet, because she washed it after coloring it and then blow dried it, so it was pretty straight. So she had to go in, ooh, that looks so good. So she had to go in and part it out and do it. So it took a while, and 30 inches is not short, so it took so long. Honestly, I don't think I'll ever sit down and crimp 30 inches of hair on my own head. It was just like a whole journey. Like, it took me a while, well, not me, it took her a while to crimp everything, but it looks so good, so I don't mind. And with the spritz and everything on it, the hairspray, it lasted so long. I had my hair for 5 days, and I honestly I only redid the crimps on it on the 3rd day, because I wanted to take pictures. But I really love how it turned out. This hair doesn't shed much. It really doesn't shed much, and I don't think it would have shed because it's like a body wave texture, so it doesn't shed. And even after her plucking it and everything, it still didn't shed. The thing I believe that you'll have to do though is pluck the front and customize it, and you definitely would like to bleach the knots if you want it to look more natural, because the lace is kind of like a clear transparent kind of lace, so it doesn't have any like color to it that matches anything. It's not pre-bleached, it's not like pre-plucked, so you have to do that part. But once that's done, I feel like the hair is superb. It's very full, 250% density. Like, they were not lying. It's full from the root all the way down to the ends, and normally like 30 inches. As like longer the hair gets, the thinner it gets to the end, but this was just like so full and so thick, and I really love that, and I really appreciate that. So yeah, I have nothing but good things to say about this hair. It's lustrous, it's thick, and yeah, I don't know, it curls. It's just like everything, and I loved it. And everywhere I went, I kept getting compliments on my hair. Shout outs to Rihanna McLean. Yeah, girl, shout outs to you. So that's what the hair is looking like, and big shout outs to Tiana Selena, because she really did this hair. Please follow her on Instagram, and if you're in like the Florida area, be sure to like book her.
Stop carrying with the bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm loving it. This hair is so full. So it's literally 250% density, which I love. It's a 30-inch 13x6 lace frontal. Do you see this part? Do you see how far back it goes? So beautiful. And she used a bedhead waver to give me these waves, which I love. The hair is so full, so luxe. I love it. If y'all are interested in getting this hair, then you should definitely check out my description box down below. My description box below. Why do I always say down below and it's the same thing? But check out the description box below, and you can find all the links to this hair. Like, sis, this is a luxe kind of vibe. It's like so good. And we don't have any like edges done. And do you see how nice that looks? I think it looks so bomb. It looks so natural. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely check out WestKiss. Their hair is amazing. And guys, oh, it didn't shed. It was not shedding. It wasn't tangly. And it's just like, okay, I'm done now. I love you guys oh so much. Shout out to Tiana Selena. I'm gonna add her Instagram right here, so y'all can follow her on Instagram. And I'm also gonna add this boutique, so y'all can follow them, like this salon. High-end, the service, bomb. You see my hair? That's all I'm saying. So I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.